Pad Thai. Prepare the ingredients. Place a large pot of water on a high heat, bring to the boil, add the rice noodles and cook for 4 minutes. Strain and rinse under cold water. Slice half an onion into thin crescents. Thinly slice 2 garlic cloves. Thinly slice 4 shallots. Roughly chop 1 tomato. Roughly chop half a cup of raw peanuts. Roughly chop 1 handful of coriander. Thinly slice 1 red chilli. Cut 1 carrot into thin matchsticks. Heat a wok on a high heat, add half a cup of water. Add the onion and garlic and saute until the water is absorbed. Add the carrots and stir. Add half a cup of water and stir. Add the tomatoes and stir. Add the cooked noodles. Add the shallots. Add 1 tablespoon of raw sugar. Add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add the peanuts. Add the bean sprouts and stir. Add the juice of 1 lime. Add the coriander leaves and stir well. Serve on a platter topped with sliced chilli.